Hi everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. So today is a very quick video. I'm unboxing something special for you guys, and I know obviously you've seen it on the thumbnail already because I'm going to be putting it on the thumbnail. These kids, guys, I made a video twice. I've recorded this video and I told myself I'm not going to shoot until we celebrate this as a family. Okay, we are making progress, and I believe and I pray that this year will grow. This year I hope to reach, sorry guys, I meant 10,000 subscribers. Please, I'm so sorry. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. I'm thinking of going into comedy. Professional tripod. Yeah. Professional tripod. This is a professional tripod I got for us. I have unboxed it twice, and the videos literally disappeared. Video disappeared. I had to go fix my phone. Left every other thing I was supposed to do today to go fix my phone. So family, so everyone. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Sorry about that interruption. I had to go attend to the little one, and so here is our tripod stand. What I love about this is that, see, you can open. The grip is very firm. The grip is very firm, and you can vlog with it. I bought this 10,000 naira, and I bought this extra attachment here because at the moment I record with my phone. Joshua, don't touch it. At the moment I record with my phone, so I bought this 2,500. So total of everything cost me 12,500. I don't know the dollar cost of this, how much it costs in dollars, but then that is the price. And this is for, you are a video producer, for, it's just professional that you know. Hi guys, I'm so excited having this, and from now onward our videos are going to be, just look at my reflection in the video. I think I'm loving this. I'm just blushing this evening. Oh, so this is not the actual length. It can be increased to as long as, you see, it can be increased. The four legs, the four wheels can be increased to as long as you want it. So family, let me display it so that you'll see how this you can use to turn the camera. This year guys, I have great surprise for you guys, but let's just finish this. Subsequently, you start seeing more interesting things. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button because interesting is coming our way. Okay, so this is it for now, and I'll see you all in my next video because I just, as you see, I just